In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms survey questionnaire. Creating an online survey is an excellent way to gather valuable insights. Whether you're seeking feedback for your business, collecting data for a research project, or simply wanting to organize an event, Google Forms is a user-friendly, powerful tool that will help you accomplish this task efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Google Forms. This is accessed through your browser, and you'll need to log in using your Google account. If you don't already have an account, it's easy to set one up, and you'll need it to create and manage your forms. Once logged in, you're ready to start building your survey. Now, take a look at the main dashboard. Here, you'll see options to either start with a blank form or choose from a variety of templates. Clicking on the plus sign will open up a blank form for you to fill in from scratch. But if you prefer to use a predefined structure, templates are a great way to save time and offer inspiration, especially if you're unsure how to start. Next, it's time to give your survey a meaningful title and a brief description. This is your survey's introduction and will be the first thing respondents see. Make sure your title is clear and concise, reflecting the purpose of your survey, while the description might offer additional context or instructions, helping respondents understand what to expect. With your survey frame ready, you can start creating your questions. Click on the Add Question button, symbolized by a plus sign, to add each question to your form. Google Forms provides a wide array of options here, like multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, and drop-down lists. Each type of question serves a different purpose, so take some time to consider what style best fits the information you need to gather. For example, multiple choice and drop-down options are great for easy data analysis, while short answers might be used to gather more personalized responses. As you form your questions, consider which ones are essential. Google Forms allows you to make questions mandatory. By toggling this option, you ensure participants must respond before submitting, which is vital for capturing complete responses to critical questions. Once your survey is ready, it's time to share it with your audience. Use the Send button to distribute your form. You'll see options to send it via email directly from Google Forms, get a shareable link, or even embed it on a website. This flexibility means you can reach your audience wherever they are, maximizing the response rate and ensuring the success of your survey. And there you have it. With these steps, you now have a well-structured, purposeful survey ready for distribution.